Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by switching to the world shader editor so you control the HDRI directly. This ensures the image drives lighting and reflections. Once done, add an environment texture node and load your HDRI file, HDR or XR. Connect it to the background shader. Make sure use nodes is active, otherwise Blender won't evaluate the map. You hear me? We skip the preferences and dive straight into the world nodes to instantly see lighting changes in the viewport. Now you add a mapping node and a texture coordinate node to gain precise rotation control. This is the core technique. Connect the texture coordinate generated or window output to mapping, then map to the environment texture. Adjust the Z rotation to spin the HDRI around the scene, and tweak X/Y only if the horizon needs pitching. You do this because rotating the HDRI changes incoming light direction and reflected highlights, giving you direct artistic control over shading and composition. Finish by dialing background strength and color for exposure and tint so the HDRI matches your scene mood. For reliable previews, switch the viewport to rendered or use Look Dev while disabling scene lamps so you see only HDRI lighting. If reflections look offset, recheck mapping inputs and ensure environment texture uses non-color for color-sensitive nodes. If you see seams, banding, or odd artifacts, swap to a higher resolution HDRI or change interpolation to improve quality. That typically fixes most issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.